Okay, I'm out here in these Malaysia streets, Kuala Lumpur streets, about to try a new place called Marrakesh. It's cute. Marrakesh restaurant. It looks nice. I'm about to try. Oh, look at this food. It looks so good. I love it. Okay. It's nice. And look at these balconies up here. That's so nice. I love it. Let's see what they got on the menu. Okay. Welcome. Oh my gosh. Chicken soup. Sounds good. Lamb soup. Veggie soup. Oh my gosh. Options. Oh yes. I need hummus. Hummus. I'm definitely getting that. Oh, but they got hummus with beef, with chicken, and then they got spicy. Oh my gosh. Going. I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven. Look at these salads. Greek salad, tabbouleh, Moroccan salad. It looks so good. Oh, they got a band warming up over here. Very cool. Let's check out cashier. Okay, menu. Focus, Raven. Focus. Hmm. What do I want? I definitely want kebab. They got the biryani rice. Yes, lamb biryani. Okay, it's too many options. Too many good looking options. Okay, lamb kebab. Yup, that's it right there. But I want rice with it. They got mixed kafta, mixed kebab, lamb chop. Oh my gosh, these lamb chops look amazing. Look at that. Oh, Raven, Raven. Okay, you gotta decide. Okay. Okay, that's way too many options. Look at this fish. All the grilled fish and shrimp, lamb shank. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Are those dates?
Right?
Are they dates?
Other things?
What are they dates?
It's this here.
Dates. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you so much.
Yeah.
You dropped me some dates on the table. Yes. Then they have the Nerd Hot pizza too. What's Mexican pizza? I wonder what's on there. Mushroom. Oh my gosh, pepperoni. Pepperoni's my favorite. Oh, four seasons. They got four different types. Okay, let me get off of here. Okay, there's a shawarma. Chicken shawarma, beef shawarma. Oh my gosh, the beef rice shawarma. I think that's it. I think this is the one. Oh my gosh. Lamb, lamb is my favorite too, though. Okay, I have to make a decision. Oh, the bread. Yes, tandoori, cheese bread, butter bread, garlic bread, all the breads. Oh, I'm in heaven right now. Okay. And then dessert. Oh my gosh. Why? Look at this, the Nutella one. Oh my gosh, I love Nutella. This is a problem. This is a problem, y'all. It's a problem. Because I have way too many beautiful options to choose from. Drinks. The drink. Oh yes, I'm getting a fruit plate. Oh wait, no. Okay, small and large. I thought the 109 was the price. I'm like, wait, that's way too much. Small and large. Let me see what they got on the fruit plate today. I might get that. They got a banana split. Oh my gosh. Look at this birthday cake. And the little bitty cakes. These desserts look like, I mean, these drinks look like desserts. What in the world? Okay. Okay, I'm done. Oh, they got the mojito, coffee, mocktails, milkshakes. Okay. Too many options. Hot drinks, coffees, all that good stuff. Whew. Let me find out that this is all that's in hummus. It's mashed chickpea, tahini, lemon juice, and olive oil. I can make this at home. But today I'm getting it here. But I didn't know it was that simple. Oh my gosh. Okay, Ahmad, my server, he changed my seat, so I'm more in the restaurant instead of right on the edge. And I can hear the music right here, and it's so good. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Let me show you where I'm sitting. Right by the TV, but I'm more inside the restaurant. Yes. I was right over there in the corner, right by the door. Oh my gosh, my food is here. I got the beef with rice. Shawarma. That looks amazing. Oh my gosh, yes. Nice, nice. Got the loud music going. Woo. I'm walking back to the train. Oh man, it was crazy in there. I was waiting 15 minutes. I got hummus as well, chicken hummus. But it was a minute because somebody apparently didn't bring it out and I was gonna leave and just pay for what I ate. But he's like, no, wait. And I think I waited probably like another 20 minutes and it was hot in there. And all the people were coming in because they have Ramadan right now. And so I think after 7 p.m. they come in to eat. And so so many people. Like I should have took a video of the restaurant as I was leaving because it was much fuller than when I first got there. But yeah, so now I'm walking to the train. Fortunately, the train's right here, right around the corner. And so I can get home. Yes, traffic is picking up. Glad I'm not driving. This train station is so nice. It feels newer, but it's not, I'm told. It looks newer because it's so nice. I am sweating so much. Oh yes, I feel the AC. The one thing I love about the subway here, the train that's below the ground, the AC be pumping. Like, I'm almost feeling cold right now, but I'm hot still. So I'm cooling down, but yes, this feels great. See, it's like clear and clean. I swear, it looks like nobody ever uses this place, but I love it. This is right by my friend's house, and I love her building, but it's right near here. I'm like, oh, maybe I'll try to get an apartment there. It's quiet. My server was flustered. Oh my gosh. His name's Ahmed. He's from Egypt. And he was nice, but he was flustered because I think if I would have left without paying for the hummus, he would have been charged for it. That's what I think. Because he was very flustered. And I'm like, well, if they haven't made it and they didn't give it to me, you can just take it off the check. I don't like nothing's lost, right? No food is lost. But he's like, no, wait. So I don't know. I don't know if someone took it and gave it to somebody else or what, but he was flustered. Okay, I made it. Yes. Okay, where is my key card? Okay, I was just about to say that the train is hating on me because I had to hit the thing 3 times with my card before it finally worked. But the girl after me coming out, I was going in, she was coming out and she hit her card and it was like beep, beep, beep. It wouldn't let her through. So, okay, it's not just me, it's these turnstiles. Look at this, it's so empty and clean. I love the cleanliness because it feels calm. Feels calm. Like it feels good. Yeah. And you know, it feels good. Oh, it feels good. Okay. So this is where we are. We are Raja Uda. And we're going down to there to Ampang Park to first, I don't know how to pronounce this, Perserian, KLCC, Conley, and then Tune Razak Exchange, TRX. That's where I'm going. And then I switch over to the Cochrane line or the other train, the green line. And then I go one stop and I'm at my train stop. Okay, that's it. I'm so full, my belly's full. But what'd you get into today? Let me know. All right, bye. Okay, I made it home and look what I got. This pita is huge. It's big. It's like bigger than my whole hand. It's huge. And then that's the chicken hummus. Okay, I'm about to smash this. Smash this. Okay, I'm out.